your home service leads slow, inconsistent, and way too dependent on waiting for reviews? What if you could instantly showcase your latest jobs, answer client questions, and push offers directly inside Google before they ever visit your website? Today, I'll show you how Google Posts turn a passive business profile into an active, lead-generating machine. Most home service businesses treat their Google Business profile like an online business card. They list their name, phone number, hours, and then hope reviews do the rest. But in 2026, Google doesn't reward businesses for being listed. It rewards businesses that stay active, relevant, and engaging. And that's exactly where Google Posts come in. Google Business profiles aren't static listings anymore. They're engagement hubs. Reviews are still important because they build trust, but Google Posts are what drive action. Your posts show up in Google Search, in the localpack, and inside Google Maps, right when someone is actively looking for your service. Google tracks what people do next. Do they click to call? Do they send a message? Do they ask for directions? And here's the key thing to understand. Google doesn't reward the best business, it rewards the most engaged business. Instead of just telling people what services you offer, Google Posts let you show your work. This is where Project Spotlight posts come in. Before and after photos from real jobs. Short descriptions explaining the problem, the fix, and the result. For example, instead of saying, "We offer plumbing services," you post a photo and say, "Emergency pipe repair, same day fix, no repeat issues." This instantly builds trust because people see real work, not marketing claims. Your profile stops looking like a brochure and starts looking like a live showroom. Urgency is one of the fastest ways to increase engagement. Google Posts are perfect for limited time offers, seasonal services, or emergency availability. Things like same day service available, this week only, limited slots open. When people see urgency, they act faster, and that action sends positive engagement signals back to Google. Every unanswered question creates hesitation, and hesitation kills leads. Google Posts allow you to answer common questions before someone ever calls. Questions like, do you offer same-day service? Are estimates free? Do you service my area? When those questions are answered up front, people are more confident and they're far more likely to contact you. This isn't theory. I've seen home service businesses generate calls within hours of publishing Google Posts. Not because they suddenly ranked number one, but because their profile became more engaging and more useful at the exact moment people were searching. Let me quickly walk you through how to create a high engagement Google post. First, use a real photo from a job you actually completed. Real images always outperform stock photos. Next, write a short headline that focuses on the customer's problem and your solution. Then, add a clear call to action like call now or book online. That's it. Short, clear, and action-focused. The biggest mistake I see is posting without a call to action. Every post should tell the customer exactly what to do next. Google Posts don't replace your marketing funnel. They accelerate it. You can link your posts directly to booking pages, service pages, or contact forms. Posts capture attention inside Google. Your funnel turns that attention into revenue. A simple posting rhythm works best. Aim for 2 to 3 posts per week. Refresh offers every 7 days. And track what actually matters: calls, messages, and direction requests. Consistency beats creativity every time. Local search is moving toward engagement, not just rankings. Businesses that stay active, helpful, and visible will win in 2026. You can even use AI tools to speed up post creation and repurpose reviews or job photos into fresh content. If you're only relying on reviews, you're playing defense. Google Posts let you play offense instantly. Start posting with intent, track engagement, and turn your Google Business profile into a 24/7 lead engine. If you want more Google Business profile strategies that generate real home service jobs, subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments. Are you using Google Posts yet, or are you still ignoring them?